best bagel you ever tasted. These are just regular Thomas bagels, but I'm going to toast them in the toaster, but I got a special trick. You turn it all the way on high like that, and then you cover the top. You cover the top. Alright, that makes it like an oven. You know, the first thing it does is it bakes it. It's finish baking it. And then as it sits in there, it'll toast it all the way through. Kind of like Melba toast. We're making Melba toast bagels. When it's like an oven like this, it's like if you put a pizza in the oven, you don't cook it, you don't bake the pizza with the door open, right? You shut the door. You don't let all the heat out the top like these toasters do. So you put a thing over the top like this. It keeps all the heat in. It gets about 200 degrees in there. Make sure you have a metal toaster when you do this, because if you got a plastic one, it'll melt. You'll notice it's starting to smoke a little bit because it's so hot. My Uncle Mario used to tell me, if you find a hot dog on the grill, make sure you get a burnt one because it has more flavor. And he's right. You want to bake this sucker completely through and you'll have a tasty bagel. There it is. Oh, that sucker's hot. See that? Hear how that sounds, huh? Yeah, that's just too hot. There they are. Now that's how you toast a bagel. Now they're ready for butter or whatever you want to put on them. Right, Daisy?